Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best portable power stations on Amazon. If you're trying to use power tools, run camping gadgets and gear, or simply want to keep your smartphone or laptop fully charged on the go, a portable power station is the solution you need. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 500. We chose the Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 500 as the best overall option. It supports a large variety of AC-reliant devices and electronics like TV, blenders, laptops, etc. It contains a standard 12V10A carport and 3 5V2.4A USB ports to charge your smaller devices, while the Jackery's 110V500W AC outlet can support any device under 500 watts. Not only is it versatile in the items that can be charged, but it's also versatile in terms of charging. It can be powered through a carport with a full charge around 16 hours, a typical AC wall outlet, standard full charge time around 8 hours, or through a solar option, solar panel not included. What we like about it: includes a wealth of outlets and ports. Versatile charging options. Handle small and medium gadgets or appliances. Stable and reliable performance. What we don't like about it: loud while in use. Number 2. Westinghouse Portable Power Station. The Westinghouse IGEN 200's portable power station gives you plenty of options that can be especially handy when you aren't sure what you'll need when you're without power. This device features 300 peak watts and 150 running watts, and its compact 4-pound weight makes it easy to tote anywhere. It features 6 outlets total, which includes 2 120-volt household outlets, a USB port, a USB-C port, a USB quick charge port, a DC outlet, and even a cigarette lighter outlet. A single charge allows this power station to run for up to 194 hours on its rechargeable lithium-ion battery, meaning you can recharge or power up again and again. What we like about it: a wealth of versatile outlet choices. 3 lighting modes. LED data center for easy-to-read insight. 4 recharging methods. What we don't like about it: best for small gadgets and appliances, not medium to large. Solar panel not included. Number 3. Anker Powerhouse 200. The Anker Powerhouse 200 is the perfect portable power station in case of an emergency. This product features 1 AC port, 2 USB-A ports, and a DC 12-volt port. It can be recharged using USB-C, AC, or solar power. At a weight of just 6 pounds, it is an ideal option to fit inside your backpack while hiking, camping, fishing, or just enjoying a day at the beach. For its compact size, the Anker portable power station holds a lot of power. When fully charged, this product can charge a laptop over 5 times, a smartphone over 12 times, and can even run small appliances like mini fridges for over 4 hours. You can also charge multiple devices at once without sacrificing charging power or speed. What we like about it: charges multiple devices simultaneously. Fits easily into a backpack. Versatile charging options. Quick recharging. What we don't like about it: not the most durable. Somewhat shorter lifespan than competitors. Number 4. Klein Tools Portable Power Station. Sure, plenty of portable power stations will leave you waiting anywhere from 6 to 12 hours or longer to recharge your dead devices. However, the Klein Tools KTB 500 portable power station is one speedy device. This quick charging power station is built to allow pass-through charging, which means you can charge or run your devices or tools while also charging its own lithium-ion battery. With 500 watts, you'll have plenty of running power to operate devices and even small power tools with rechargeable batteries. And the perks of this power station are far-reaching. It offers 2 12-volt outlets, 4 different USB ports, and a 12-volt car port. What we like about it: lightweight, travel-friendly design. Charges and powers up to 7 devices at once. Digital LCD screen shows real-time performance. Works with available solar panel accessories. What we don't like about it: Solar panel is meant to extend run time, not replace full recharging. Number 5. Ryobi 40 V1800 watt portable battery power station. If you need a lot of power, you're going to love the premium level wattage and features that come with the Ryobi 40 V1800 watt portable battery power station. This device delivers 1,800 continuous watts of power, and it can run everything from your smartphone's charging to TVs to fans to refrigerators. What we like about it: works within the larger Ryobi tool system. Power small electronics and appliances. 9 different outlets. Parallel kit capable. What we don't like about it: expensive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.